Friends, in this lesson, we will learn about the months of the year, days of the week, and the four seasons. So, starting from months of the year, they sound a little bit like English or Hindi. Of course, the total pronunciation, total sound is different, but we can link it that somebody in case somebody is referring to some name of the month in Russian, we can easily know that he or she is talking about a particular month. But the days of the week, they are totally different. So we'll see, starting from the months of the year. It is Yanvar. Yanvar is January. Yanvar is January. Then Febral. Febral is February. Febral is February. It is V, not B after for B. No. Febral. Febral. Febral is February. Then March. March is March. March is March. Then April. April is almost similar in sound like April. April is April. Then May. May is May. May is May. May. Then June. June is June. June. It is not June. June. June is June. So it is a combination of E and U like this. June. June is June. Then Yule. Yule is July. Yule. Yule is July. Then August. August is August. August is August. So they don't speak the word ta. They pronounce T as ta. So it is August. So August. August means August. Then September. September is September. September is September. Then October. October is October. October, October. November. November is November. November is November. And December. December is December. So almost similar in sound. Once again we'll repeat it. January is January. February is February. March is March. April is April. May is May. May is May. June, June, Yule, July. August is August. Then September is September. October is October. November is November. And December is December. Now we'll learn about the days of the week. In English, the weekdays start from Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. But in Russian, the days of the week start from Monday. They don't start from Sunday. So it is a little difference. Means in English we start Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. But in Russian we start from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. But it is much similar to Hindi. In Hindi also we start from Somvar, Mangalvar like this. So starting from Monday. So it is Panedelnik. Panedelnik is Monday. These all 7 names are totally different from English names. Panedelnik is Monday. Vtornik. Vtornik is Tuesday. Sreda. Sreda is Wednesday. For Wednesday, Sreda is Wednesday. Chitvarg. Chitvarg is Thursday. Then Pyatnitsa. Pyatnitsa. It is Friday. Pyatnitsa. Friday. Subota. Subota is Saturday. Subota, Saturday. Then Vaskresenia. Vaskresenia is Sunday. Vaskresenia, Sunday. Again, Panidelnik. Panidelnik, Monday. Vtornik, Tuesday. Sreda, Wednesday. Chitvarg, Thursday. Pyatnitsa, Friday. Subota is Saturday. And Vaskresenia is Sunday. Then there are 4 seasons of the year. Those also have been covered in this lesson. So starting from spring, it is Vesna. Spring is Vesna. Then summer. Summer is Leto. Leto is summer. Leto, summer. Then Sin. Sin is autumn. Of course, it is spelt as Osin, but here O is always almost silent. Sin. Sin. It is autumn. And then Zima. Zima is winter. Again, 4 seasons. Vesna is spring. Leto, summer. Sin, uh, autumn. And then Zima is winter. So in this way, in this lesson, we have covered the months of the year, then days of the week, and the 4